How to grow a type beat channel. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can grow a beat channel. So let's get into it. Now, what do I mean by type beat and what is this kind of channel niche? Is it profitable? And there are so many other questions a beginner might have. Well, a type beat channel is basically a YouTube channel that focuses on a specific niche of beats. These channels are usually there for artists to be able to purchase beats from. These are a great way to advertise your pre-existing music, and some people are providing these beats for free. If they're for free, they're usually getting their monetization, or they're usually getting their revenue with the AdSense that they are getting, or with brand partnerships if you are getting enough views. So let's take a look at whether or not these are profitable and how you can grow your own YouTube channel with type beats. So the first thing is what we're going to do is we're going to analyze some of these type B channels. These are not super large channels. I'm really approaching this with you guys with realistic examples so you guys can follow suit and actually grow your channel as well. First off, let's take a look at this slightly larger channel called Mimi Lo-Fi Chill. Now, these are super popular channels in terms of long-term monetization, and these people are not selling their beats. These channels are usually just making super long beats, and you guys can see these are 24 hours, and you guys can see the views that they're getting as well as their post frequency. Now, we're going to be discussing watch time later on, because that is a very essential part of any of your type B channels. So if we take a look over here, this specific channel is really targeting a very specific type of niche. It's lo-fi beats, that's all they are uploading. Then they're rephrasing it or repackaging it. So it's steady vibes, deep chilling, slow chilling, steady vibes, chill driving, chill evening, but it's pretty much the same niche of music, and they're using a specific brand as well. They're using the Simpsons brand. So they're using all, mostly Bart Simpson and a bunch of other Simpson characters in their thumbnails, and they're really approaching in a very aesthetic manner. They're using a very specific color scheme as well. None of their music is out of that specific chill niche. It's a studying and chill, that's their entire niche. So that is one thing you have to do for any YouTube type beat channel. Now, if we take a look at something like this is Flowy Dope, and you guys can see they have 1.2k subscribers, and you might think that's super less. However, subscribers really don't matter in a type B channel. What matters is the views that you are getting. And you guys can see this is a relatively new channel. They haven't been posting a lot, but if you take a look at their views, some of their views are 12k, 4.7k, 16k. So they're growing as a YouTube channel. And you guys can see they are using a different tactic to market their type beat. So what they're doing is they're posting things like Yeet type beat, trendy, sped up, Yeet type beat, insane, produced by Flowy, Yeet type beat, Turek, Metro booming type beat, Yeet type beat, Young Thug type beat, Future type beat. Now, what they're doing is that they're taking a more popular pre-existing artist. Let's say I write a Doja Cat type beat and produced by this. And you can do that. You can include one keyword and one artist word to really make sure it's super easy for people to make sure that they are, getting into the type beat that they want. Now, why is this important? First off, it builds the aesthetic of your channel. You want to formulate a specific type of formula, a specific type of template that you are following throughout your videos. You don't want it to be jimble jambled and mixed up. Now, if we take another example, we have Anthony Palmer, and this person has grown their channel a lot. You guys can see they have only 8.2 subscribers, 8.2k subscribers, but you guys can see on an average their videos are 50k plus views, and that is because they're using a very specific formula to target specific artists, and those artists then purchase their beats and they get money. So you guys can see they have a bunch of these beats, and you guys can see Little Baby X Little Dirk type beat, Can't Feel It, Free type beat, trap/rap. Now, what you want to do is you guys can see they're following a similar formula. If I take a look at this YouTube channel, it's called Cillian and MTB, and they have over 100k subs where their beats are getting around 10k views. and they're formulating their beats in a similar way. We also have Devosk, and they are focusing on free. So their type beats are all free, and they're trying to make that a big selling point. And then they're using the same formula, which is one artist's name, the type beat it is, and then the name of their beat. So if we take a look at this type beat formula, it is super popular, and it's popular for a reason. If we go on to Social Blade and take a look at any of these YouTube channel, let's just take a look at Devosk over here, or let's take a look at Anthony Palmer, because we want to formulate their success. And I'm going to show you guys why these channels are so successful. You guys can see Anthony Palmer, and you can see, I don't think it's this channel, it's a different channel that we're looking for. I'm gonna redo this, not this one. Yeah, so you guys can see this is Tillian MTB. You guys can see when this channel was created, their estimated monthly earnings, yearly earnings, as well as the overall ranking that they have. So there are a few things you need to do. First off, choose a aesthetic, build your wallpaper, your cover photos with that. You can use Canva to do that, it's pretty easy. Then whatever type beat you are targeting, you want to generate titles in a specific formula. You don't want to chat GPT your titles. You want to put something like this. So Doja Cat type beat, mellow, free, and then you can also add the genre. So it would be something like jazz/funk type beat, free. These are the types of titles that artists are actually looking at when they are looking to purchase type beats, or even when someone is looking for type beats. Secondly, you want to make sure you're adding your tag, you're making sure that you're adding your descriptions. Now, for that, I recommend using ChatGPT. You can easily ask ChatGPT to write really nice descriptions for you for your type beats that can be super explanatory. So you can ask it to write the description, and it's going to write a more really nice little description for you. You can obviously filter this out as you wish, but you can copy and paste this. And it's basically going to serve as a great, super optimized description. Then you also want to make sure that you have a high watch time. What do I mean by that? Well, I recommend for people that are growing their YouTube channels, that are just starting out, to use the method of making your type beats like 2 minutes to 3 minutes. You don't want to exceed too much from 3 minutes. You guys can see all of these type beat channels are following the same formula. The reason for that is you want a high watch time, and a high watch time is, for example, I have a 10-minute video and someone watches only 2 minutes of it, that's going to account for only 10% or 20% watch time. However, if I have a 2-minute video and the person watches only 1 minute of that video, that's going to be a 50% watch time, and YouTube prefers a higher watch time. So YouTube is going to be more likely to promote your YouTube video with a higher watch time, which is going to be a shorter video. So these are some of the tips and tricks that you can employ to make sure that you get more views on your Typebeat channel. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.